Hey, what's up guys? This is Leon from NOBITA Toy. Today I am excited to do another toy review, and this time it's a continuation of the Bandai figurized mechanic, and this time is the Time Machine Secret Gadget of Doraemon. So what's so special about this is for the first time you get to see the interior parts of the time machine inside out. So for the bonus, you get to see the figure NOBITA that's included in this model kit. And let's not waste time, let's assemble it and see what is inside right now. May I present to you Doraemon Time Machine. Yes, I have completed building this up roughly about 1 hour plus, coming to 2, and this relatively is quite an easy build. You do not need much on painting. All you need to do is just to put some stickers. So there are some features of this time machine. First of all, you can able to open up this to see the engines of the time machines and some other component parts. And this seat is just customized for Doraemon to be able to sit it in properly, and you can see that they even put a hole for the tail, and of course our good looking NOBITA. So this concludes my review on this Bandai figurized mechanic time machine of Doraemon. So it's time for us to say goodbye. Feel free to share this out and let's blast off right now. Woohoo!